Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shopping Haul Supermarket Germany. Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Safra Zonza. So today I just want to bring the whole supermarket shopping with you and whatever I buy from supermarket, and then some of the skincare that was a vegan. As you know, I always have vegan skincare in my face because my face is very sensitive and only can use vegan. And this also have some chocolate and then some chips and everything. So let's check it out together. So I'm so excited. So this is it. As you know, I'm from Indonesia, so I always excited about the words. I don't know what is this. I even cannot translate everything what is this. So let's start with one mask. Tara, this is mask. I don't know, I never tried before, but what is make me excited about, you can see this is have a like a vegan type, so it should be match and not make my skin break out. I like this. And then I also have a chocolate. This is a panties. I don't know why I buy it, because I really like chocolate with coffee taste and also like a cream, so I buy like a chocolate, toffee chocolate. And also this is cleansing tissue for face, so you can see as well this is vegan, so I believe this is very nice for my face. And I don't understand why I buy so much toffee, but it is what it is. So I buy like a 3 of them, or yeah, this is 3. Also I have this chips, and also have hand gel. I don't know if it's nice or not, but it's also vegan. I love Germany because they have a lot of product for vegan. And you know, this is for travel pack, so you can bring everywhere you go, so this is comfortable for you. Okay, this one is a little bit expensive. I buy from pharmacy. It's like a 26 euro or something, but it's very good for hair. This is like hair serum because I not do ironing my hair for a long time, and I hope it's gonna be better for my hair as well. Look, this is from France, and I really love this. This is my chips to go, because sometimes, you know, girly like chips. And this one, toothpaste for toothbrush. Okay, you will need it. And this one also, small pack of Nivea. This is body milk, so you need to have this also in your bag if you want your skin very moisturized. Sometimes the skin is very dry from the aircraft. And also this one is very nice, and also this is like small pack. You also need this. This is for balm. Let's try it. You. Very nice, very nice. So guys, that it is shopping haul supermarket in Germany. Bye, see you on my next video.